Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting our spring cleaning series. Now if you're like me, you probably hate spring cleaning because it's a lot more in depth than you normally clean and there's a lot more you have to do. So it's just a pain all around. But if you're like me as well, you probably need some motivation. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna motivate myself by filming a motivational cleaning video for you guys. So I'm really hoping this helps and maybe, you know, gets you to want to start cleaning your house, because I know for here, especially in Ohio, we're kind of starting to get into the little bit of warmer days, and so it's not as cold, so I don't feel like I need to just like be laying under on the couch under a lot of blankets. So I'm finally ready to get up and do things. The house has been so cooped up and it really needs a really good clean. And especially today, we are going to be starting in the kitchen for this spring cleaning series. I'm going to go kind of room for room, or room by room, like I did last year. So today we're going to start in the kitchen, because as I'm filming this is a Monday, and this past weekend I was really lazy on my cleaning. So my kitchen, as you can see, needs some serious love. So I figured, why not start in the kitchen? So we're going to do everything from wiping down cabinets to putting away dishes, cleaning everything, literally top from bottom, or top to bottom. So I hope this helps and gives you some motivation that you need. And let's just get into it.
Let's make a run together, I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever, I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide. Let's make a run together, I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever, I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide.
Okay, so I wanted to jump on real quick, kind of, I know I normally don't, you know, do these kind of like little interruptions in my cleaning videos, but I'm actually going to be using just one cleaner for the most part throughout my kitchen. I normally use different ones, like different varieties, and I usually choose more of like a green, kind of like a natural cleaner, but today I decided, since we're spring cleaning, I want to kill any germs, just really do a good, nice disinfecting clean all throughout the kitchen. So I'm going to be trying the Mr. Clean Freak This is a deep cleaning mist in the wildflower. Now, so far it smells good. This intrigued me because it's a misting cleaner. So we're gonna see how this goes. Let's see. I'm trying to make sure that it's pretty much good on any surfaces. So I might have to use like an all-purpose cleaner. Safe on granite, chrome, nickel, or finished wood if wiped to dry immediately. Okay, so we're gonna try this. I'm really picky because my kitchen table is new, so I might not use this on the kitchen table. If you see me using a different cleaner, I will probably be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Peony on my kitchen table. If you have not tried the Mrs. Meyer spring cleaning or spring scents, go check them out. I know a lot of people are really big fans of the mint. I can't stand it. I don't know why. The mint really bothers me, but the peony and the lilac are my absolute favorites because I love floral. So highly, highly recommend those. So if anything, I'll be alternating between these two. So I will probably do a voiceover later on in the video to tell you how I think this is doing and if I enjoy it.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do. Like I do. Like I do. Like I do. Like I You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
for my spring cleaning video on my kitchen. Like I said, this is a more of an in-depth cleaning, so this isn't what I do every day or every week by any means. But I hope this gave you motivation, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. That does help a lot. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, because there are going to be so many more spring cleaning videos to come. So I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.